Let's start with number 1. Here we can see it is a fraction, a sum, so we have to start with board mass. Board mass stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That's what it means. So you take your ruler, you divide your working space like that. So let us start. You need to start with the numerator. The above equation is called the numerator. The one below is called the denominator. So we start with the numerator. So in the numerator we don't have brackets, but we have off. So off is here up to here, and another off is here up to here. So this is 8 times this one here goes to 3 times, divided by 2, minus this here once here 48. So 48 times 2, that one is 96, divided by 12 plus 2 times 3. So we are in the numerator. The next thing is we have finished division. Division is here, another division is here. So 8 times 3 over 2, that's the division, minus 96 divided by 12 is 8, plus 2 times 3. The next one is multiplication. So multiplication is here, multiplication is here. So this one here once, here 4. We have 12 minus 8 plus this times it is 6. So 12 minus 8, that is 4. 4 plus 6, the answer is 10. So the numerator is 10, and that is where you have your mark. The next one is the denominator. Denominator. You underline the denominator. So let us go to the denominator. In the denominator we don't have bracket, but we start with off. The first off is here, another off is here. So this one's here 9. 9 times this is 27, divided by 3, minus 4. 5 ones here twice. 2 times 2, 4. So here divided by 4, and then plus 3 times into negative 2. We have finished with the off. We go to division. Now we are dividing this and this. So 27 divided by 3, the answer is 9, minus 4 divided by 4 is 1, plus 3 times negative 2. Next one is division. We go to we have finished division. Multiplication. 3 times negative 2, a negative number times a positive number, the answer is negative. So 9 minus 1 plus negative 6. But remember, negative and a positive, the answer, positive times negative, the answer is negative. So we have 9 minus 1 minus 6. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 6, the answer is 2, positive 2. And this is the second mark. The third mark now comes where we divided the numerator divided by the denominator. You don't have to write this, but I'm just showing you. So now we have the numerator 10 divided by the denominator 2, and the final answer is what? 5.